guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. But make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. For this video, I want to get into and try out Glow's Glisten Edit. This is a liner set, a wet liner set by Glisten Cosmetics. There's this girl, her makeup is amazing, slightly unblended on Instagram, and she always does these intricate liner works, and I love graphic liners. You guys know I like to mix some from Makeup or Murder, but these I have to try it, hence the colors. So we're gonna test these out. We're gonna do some swatches, and we're gonna see how this looks on the eyes. If you guys are ready to get into some graphic liners, some wet liners, keep on watching. I move my hair out the way because we will be testing some out on I can have an idea with some of the colors, but I don't know. So we'll figure it out as we go ahead, and off camera I'll probably do something a little bit more intricate, add some jewels, and just really glam up and make this look really, really creative because it's fun and I love it. Yeah. So here I have some shot glasses with water, some paper towel, and the liners. Why do I have shot glasses? Because people sell them and get me them as souvenirs, and I don't drink, so this is what they get used for. Sorry, not sorry. Here we are. So there are 6 liners. 2 are split with the colors, so there's a dark purple, light purple, like a periwinkle, 1 duochrome white. We have the lime green. This is the teals, and then like a mermaid green teal. I'm excited. It also comes with 3 brushes. They look to be different sizes. So we have an L2, L4, and L11. L11 is the thickest one. This is the brush that I will be using for the swatches. Here we go. You guys know I actually have a lot of liner brushes. I love to do graphic liners, so this I'm very excited for, but I've never used them. So, jeez. All right, so this one is Peri Purple. Like I said, the periwinkle shade. Very nice, very nice. I had to double check. Why I was like, y'all, am I recording? I is. So here's the first one. We're going to dip it in some water. I'm gonna take some of the water off. I don't know how much water is needed. These are brand new brushes, so they're a little stiff. I'm just gonna go right in the center. Maybe I have too much water. Okay, I don't know. We're gonna swatch it on my less tatted arm because that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do it this way. That's how you guys are gonna see it. Okay, it is true periwinkle purple. I like how it glides. How much water you add definitely makes for the consistency, so keep that in mind, and we're gonna try another shade, but there's Peri Purple. The next one, like down the line, is another purple. So this one is in Trouche. This is beautiful. You know, I know that color from Coraline because I'm a child. I'm a vermilion. Okay, so let's try it. It's like a beautiful lime green. And I don't know if I want to use this color. In my mind's eye, I saw teals. So that's really what I want to do. There we go. I think that's gorgeous. Woo! The next one is Wisteria. So it has a light lavender and a deep purple in this one. I'm just going to swatch them back to back for time. So here are the 2 Wisteria shades. We do have the deeper purple here, and the lavender is very pale. I wasn't really expecting that color payout, but it looks really, really good. And I could just see, I love lavender on dark skin. Gorgeous. My girl Tisha, she beautiful on her. Beautiful. Next, going into the teal shade. This one is Blue Heaven. So there's a light teal and like a deeper teal. You guys know. This is what really, I have to use these 2 shades. I am. So here they are. Gorgeous. Now that teal went on so beautifully, one shot, and then the lighter. This is like a real pale baby blue. I really like it. Almost like a Tiffany blue, and that's my color. I will say that you want to kind of wet the lighter colors a little bit more, clean off your brush, and then go back into it without dipping into any water to get the best color payoff. But I'm really, wow. Next is Bewitched. Now this is this light silvery duochrome with, like, I can see flecks of pink and purple in this one. I'm very interested to see how this comes out. So here is Bewitched. It is very, very beautiful. I think it's more so like the highlight that I have on now, which is the Hot Shot highlight by Nomad Cosmetics. I think it's more so like an accent liner, and it's beautiful. Like, I would probably layer this on top of one of the other liners. And finally, we have Blue Lagoon, which is like the perfect mermaid teal blue. I'm so excited! Alright, let's see. And I'd say that these are a lot more dry than the other liners, so you need a little bit more water. So here is Blue Lagoon, absolutely gorgeous. It's playing more purple teal. I was not really expecting that, but wow. These look so gorgeous together. I love it. I'm really excited to get into it. I'm more than likely going to use these two smaller brushes, L2 and L4, which is just very thin, just to really get more precise and clean off this one. I may use this one for like a liner on the lid. I just don't know what shade I want to do that with yet, because I do have the teal there. So maybe I'm leaning towards a purple, but I'm gonna go ahead, clean off the swatches, and just get you guys a little bit closer in my face, and we'll see. I am a little torn right now because I want to pop a color, so I'm really looking at the Chartreuse shade as like the main liner. But I don't know. I don't want to, I don't want to mess it up. I don't know. I'm just going to do it. And if I don't like it, that's on me. And that's on y'all for letting me do it. And that's how I feel. For real, for real. So I'm going to go back in with the, ooh, did I get makeup on here? I'm going back in with the L11 brush just because it's a little thicker. And I want to make sure I get across the lid. I'm going to wet it. This shade is, I just use a little water. I'm going to coat both sides of the brush and kind of, well, I'm going to coat all sides of the brush and kind of form it so that it's a little pointy to make sure that I can be as precise as I can on the lid. But I don't want it to be dry either, so let's see. I might be messing up the whole look. Oh no, I think I like that. Yeah, I think that pop of color is gonna be okay. I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. I'm trying to make sure I have the right consistency to get a good line. I probably should have cleaned off my brush first, but I did not. Just a little bit more water. I'm gonna tap it a little. I don't want it to be too wet. I still want it to be like pretty opaque. Yeah, I don't regret it, and I'm definitely adding some jewels to this look to make it really pop. So this is gonna take a little bit of time. Ooh. Okay, off camera I'm just gonna do the same to both sides and make sure that I really get the liner the way I want. I'm gonna wing it. I gotta wing it.
2,000 years later.
Here's what I ended up doing just to play around with the liners a little bit. And my eyes are a mess. I'm actually having a terrible recording day. It's actually awful today. Everything that can go wrong is going wrong. My hair's a mess. My look is okay. I'm not exactly happy with it. I actually, I had to go back and switch out my lashes because they were just covering the look. I wanted something more wispy, but it was just too much. My eye shape is like almond. It wasn't working out, so I had to throw on the Braddies so you guys can see the liner. I added a few gems, inner corner as well, and like it. I'm not like thrilled. These are definitely liners that are not really beginner friendly, if I'm going to be completely honest with you. I absolutely love the color payoff to get, there we go. Absolutely love the color payoff. The packaging, they are great. I love that they come with different size brushes, so you can really do any look that you want, any design. You can really get in there with a graphic liner. However, for me, I'm going to need to take some time and play with them. Like I said earlier, these are not liners that I think you could really do on camera for a short video. If I really want to get intricate and really do something really cute, like on the lid, look at my earpods still in, wow. And really do something cute on the lid, we'd probably have to have a video dedicated to just that. But these colors are gorgeous. They have other sets. They do retail for $44 plus tax, shipping and handling. You guys know that. They're in the UK. However, I ordered it last Friday and I had it within a few days. Didn't even take a week because I'm filming on Friday. So keep that in mind. And I think they're really, really gorgeous. Overall first impressions, I love them. I want more of these. I think for my really, really creative looks where I have time to just sit there and play off camera and really do everything that I want to. Now that I know how to get the right consistency, how to get the color payoff that I want, and which brushes to use, amazing. I can't wait to really get into it. This look, it's okay for me. It's enough for right now to just give like a first impressions. But let me know in the comments how you think these liners perform. How do you like the swatches? I think the swatches were super impressive and these are absolutely gorgeous. If you like this look, let me know as well. I'm okay with it. Right now my contact is like flipping up. I'm just having a rough time filming this video, but it's out. I was not gonna miss another upload after putting out my video this last week really, really late. I've been over this entire week. So to just be over and done with this one, I can't wait to just sit down, edit, and get this out to you guys. But that is it, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. It is a free way to support my channel, please, and thank you. And to push it out there in the algorithm. I'm on a goal to reach this year. At the end of this year, I'm going to hit 5K subs. I'm not asking, I'm not hoping, I'm going to do it. I've been extremely consistent since I've been back, and it's bound to happen, okay? But if you haven't, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.